If you're experiencing crashing issues with the EAFC25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for EAFC25. Check the game's official website for the latest specifications and compare them with your system's hardware. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Installing the most recent drivers can improve performance and stability. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Origin, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them automatically. Step 4. Adjusting game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Reducing settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality can help improve stability and reduce the chances of crashing. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background, especially those that consume a lot of resources such as web browsers or streaming software. This can free up system resources and help the game run more smoothly. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues in EAFC25. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.